welcome to
Hey, Chuck, can I holler Jerry real quick?
my channel, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make slime, and kind of point y'all a little down so y'all can see what I'm doing, so y'all know that there's no cuts in the video, no nothing. So what you're going to need is that you're going to need a bowl. You're going to need some glue, whatever kind of glue, Elmer's, whatever. Just remember it has to be white glue. See, it has to be white glue. You need a fork or some kind of mixing tool like a popsicle stick, and you need some Tide. So you know I'm not lying. Tide, Simply Clean and Fresh. See? So you know I'm not lying. So I'm going to open the bottle. Remember, these caps suck. They're hard to open. So I'm just going to do like 3 pumps, because I don't want to make a whole bunch of slime because this video will take forever, and sometimes I don't even want to do it, like go through this. So yeah, so remember to mix the glue first before you add in the Tide. Then you add in little by little Tide. If you add in like too much, it won't let you do it. So just kind of mix in as you go. And as you mix in, it very much helps. See, mine is starting to pump. So I'm going to add just a little bit more Tide. Remember, you can't just like blob a lot of it in there, because if you do, it will be really, really gross. I'm going to touch this with my finger and see if it's good or not. I think it just needs just a tad bit more slime. Go. Let's mix it. See, and as you can see, it clumps up, and it's like this. And you gotta kind of work with it as you go, because if you don't, it gets really, really sticky. So yeah. So kind of just roll it into a bowl. And the reason why I put the Tide in the cap was because it's usually hard to pour it with this, with the nozzle. So yeah. So the slime is coming great, it's just a little bit sticky, so I'm going to keep on kneading it. I'm just going to keep on kneading it, because it's going to take a lot of Tide to do this, but yeah. No. And these are my favorite leggings too. So I'm going to try to do this real fast so it doesn't stick to my hand. So, and in the comments, tell me what kind of slime y'all like. Do y'all like fluffy slime, jiggly slime, just regular old stringy slime? What kind of slime do y'all like? And maybe in one of my future videos, I might make some. I don't know, because my mom is not a really big fan of slime, because she thinks if you use borax or anything like that, it might get really crazy. You might have a really bad mild reaction to it. So yeah, right now I'm just going like this, so it will knead, but it is kind of still just a little bit sticky. So I'm going to take the excess that's right here and go like this. and still need it. But I'm gonna need this like fast because I don't want to like waste y'all's time trying to like do this, so I'm gonna need it kind of fast, kind of. So yeah, and the glue is from the dollar store. So if you want to make the same slime as me, just go to the dollar store and get 2 bottles of white glue. I got the 2-for-1 deal. And yeah, so look at it. It's so cute and pretty. It doesn't make like the crunchy noises, but whenever like you do some ASMR with it, it does. But yeah, just remember you gotta keep it soft and nice, because if you add too much like of Tide, it will like not come together good, and it will just water it. So yeah, and you will always, if I make like future slime videos, you'll see me use this Tide, because I don't like borax or anything, because I don't know if I'm gonna have like a really mild reaction to it, because other people have like got 3rd-degree burns from it, like all different kinds of things. And
You in Jackson on Sunday?
so I just go like this.
Well, I don't know. That's why I'm asking,
yeah,
because
like
I figured out
yeah.
our bank statement came in,
See?
and I figured
So,
out that
bye.
somebody used our card or whatever.